Here's a better nighttime view of the switchback lights finished in the mirrors from fastheadlights.com, the LED conversion. I also have switchbacks in the front, and you can see on the mirror over there that everything is white. Really cool look, and I'll show you guys as I turn on. We'll just turn on the hazards, so both turn signals are blinking. As you can see, they turn amber when you turn the turn signals on. Okay, YouTube, anybody have any questions on how to do this? Fastheadlights.com LED conversion kit for the 2021, 22, 23 Silverado. They are the only ones that make a kit for this truck. Pretty soon you'll be able to buy that whole light housing with it already in there, but you can't yet. Have a good night, YouTube. Bye.